Hello. Welcome to yet another lesson. So we continue with the matrices, and today we are going to look at how to find the inverse of a given matrix. So previously we are looking at how to find the determinant. So now come with me. So finding the inverse. Now, how do you know that it is inverse, or how is the inverse shown? So inverse, the letter will always be risen to a power of what, of a negative there on top there. Then you know that it's what, it's inverse. So now, what's the formula? So inverse, for example, inverse of A is equals to 1 over the determinant, of which we know how to find the determinant because we learned from the previous lesson. So 1 over the determinant times the what? The matrix that you have. Now, let's go straight into example so that you understand. So find the inverse of each matrix. So number 1, P is equals to this matrix. So before you find the inverse, you need to know the determinant. Okay? So we first find the determinant. So we say determinant is equals to AD minus BC. Okay, this will be equals. We know from the previous lesson, this is our A, B, C, and our D. So we cross multiply. Okay, so we're going to say 8 multiplied by negative 2 minus, okay, we have 12 multiplied by negative what? Negative 1. Okay, so this will be equals to 8 times negative 2, it will give us a negative 16 minus 12 times the negative 1 to give us a negative 12. Okay, so you have that. So this will be equals to negative 16. Negative times negative, that's a positive 12. So this will be equal. Negative times positive is a negative. So here we are subtracting. So from 16 you take away 12, you remain with 4. And the sign with a bigger number is what? Is a negative. So we have 4. So this is our determinant. Now, let's go now and find the inverse. So we'll say P inverse will be equals to 1 over what? The determinant. Okay? 1 over determinant times our what? Our matrix that we have been given here. So, like that, and that is negative 2. Okay, so now here is the secret. Here is the secret. So our final answer will be the inverse of P will be equals to 1 over, what is our determinant? Our determinant is a negative 4. Okay? Negative 4. And then there, you see? So these diagonal numbers, they are going to exchange. So 8 will come here and negative 2 will come there. So we'll say negative 2, and there you have negative 8. Okay? Negative 2, negative 8. We have just exchanged these two. Okay? And then there we'll have a 12, and there we'll have a 1. Okay? Now, this one will no longer be a negative, and this positive 12 will become a negative. Okay, so that is how you find your inverse. Now, what did we do? We're saying when you're writing the inverse, you exchange the diagonal numbers, just these. Okay, so we're saying 8 and negative 2, they have exchanged. Okay, negative 8 has come here, negative 2 has gone on top. And these other two diagonal numbers, they exchange the signs. If it was a positive, it becomes a negative. If it was a negative, it becomes a what? A positive. As simple as that. Okay, let's go to example number 2. Given that M is equals to this matrix, so find the value of X. We want to find the value of X when the determinant of M is what? Is 22. So, solution, what do we do? So we're saying M is equals to 3, negative 2, 5, and X. So the first question is for us to find the value of X when the determinant is what? 22. So we're going to say the formula for determinant is equals to AD minus BC. Where there is the determinant, we're going to put what? 22. We already have the determinant. Okay. So we'll say 22 is equals to, what is our A? That is 3 times x, it is 3x minus 5 times negative 2. It gives us a negative 10. Okay? Hope you have followed what we have done there. So this will be 22 equal to 3x, negative times negative, that is a positive what? Positive 10. Okay? Hope you're following. From there, what do we do? We're going to collect the what? The like terms. We are going to collect the like terms. So what will happen there? So we're going to say 3x is equals to 22 minus what? Minus 10. So our 3x will be equals to, from 22 take away 10, we remain with a 12. So we divide both sides by 3. This will cancel. So have your x will be equals to 3 into 12 gives us a 4. Okay. So now we have found the value of what? Of x. We have found the value of x. So question B says find the inverse of what? Of m. Okay. We go to B. The inverse of m. So we're going to write m the power of negative 1. Okay, that is our inverse is equal to, we know that the inverse is 1 over the determinant. What is the determinant of this matrix is 22. So 1 over 22 in brackets, we're going to say 3, negative 2, 5. While there's x, we're going to put our 4 there because we have found our x, 4. Therefore, the final answer will be m inverse is equals to 1 over 22. These, they will exchange, okay? So we're going to have 4 there and 3 there, okay? And these two, they will change the signs. If it's a positive, it will become a negative. If it's a negative, it will become a positive. So our 5 here is a positive, so it will become a negative. 2 is a negative, it will become a positive, like that. You have found your answer, your inverse. So that is how we calculate the inverse of the given matrix. So the only thing that you need to know here, the key or the secret, is that if we have A, B, C, and D, okay, this is matrix A. So the inverse of this matrix A, it will be A inverse will be equals to this A and D, they will exchange, they will swap. So the D will come here and the A will come here. Okay? These two, they will maintain, but these are positives. Let's assume they are positives. So this C will become a negative C and the B will become a negative B. Like that. These they exchange and these they change the signs. Okay. Let's say for instance, if this is a negative and this is a negative, okay, meaning our A inverse is going to be equals to D will come here and the A there, okay, the C will become a positive and the B will become a positive, like that. Okay, so that is how we calculate the inverse. Thank you very much for watching.